So I am building this computer. Uh, it's a mess still. I have to cable manage all of these, but I think they're all connected now. I have all the things connected. I have my GPU connected. I just connected the cable, the PCI Express cables. I have all the fans connected. I have so many. I have like a set of three down here. I have a set of three over there. I have one big one in the back, and I have three separate ones on top. I'm having them in a configuration where it pulls air from the bottom and the side, and it pushes air out on the top and at the back. So that way, I'm hoping it's gonna bring up air here and then just kind of push it out there. It's just gonna have like a cross flow of air cooling all the crucial components. And of course I have the included fan or cooler for the CPU. But yeah, everything seems to be connected now. uh, I just have to, like I said, cable manage this rat's nest over here, plug in the power cable to the PSU, plug in all the cables, and then fire it up and see how it goes. I hope it's gonna be going flawless, but there's always an issue when I build a computer, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, well, let's do this one then. Okay, now everything seems to be connected. I connected the GPU, I just installed the fans, the motherboard to the power. I really don't know if I did everything right, but I think I did. But I guess there is only one way to find out. So I'm about to try to turn the PC on. Now I still need to do a lot of cable management, as you can see. But before I do that, I want to see if I did everything right, so that I don't have to undo all the cable management later. Yeah, so I'm about to do that. Before I do though, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this PC. So this is a PC I built about, I don't know, 3 years ago, maybe even more than that. Back then it was a high-end PC. I spent over 1,000 euros back then on it. By now it's a bit dated, but it still handles everything I throw at it for the most part. I had to fly back to Slovakia to get this PC. I disassembled the PC back home because I couldn't bring the case, it was too big, and I just kind of brought the components, and I bought this case. It's the Antec, I think it's called Antec C8. It's huge, as you can see, but it's spacious, so that's good. So I brought all the components and I installed them into this one. Now the PC itself, it has the motherboard is an Asus B660 Prime, I think it's called, Plus. There's a plus somewhere in there in the name. I have Intel Core i5 12400 for the CPU. Back in when I built the PC, it was brand new and it was supposed to be a great value, budget, performance gaming processor at the time. So I bought that one. I have the stock cooler that it came with. Back then they came with coolers. I have 16 gigs of RAM, which is not that much in today's for today's standards. I'm gonna upgrade that at some point, but for now it's 16 gigs. It's 2 sticks of 8 gigs, but I still have 2 sticks, it's 2 slots open. So at some point in the near future, I'm gonna upgrade that to 32 gigs. It is DDR4 though, so it is what it is. I have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. Back in the day, the 30 series were the new ones, so I thought a 3080 was a bit too expensive, so I thought maybe I'll get like one step from that, 3070 Ti. It's it's a good GPU. It handles everything I throw at it. Although I've heard that the video RAM that it comes with isn't that good anymore, but it still works. It's still good enough for my needs. I'm only pairing this computer with a 1080p monitor, so I'm only gonna do 1080p gaming on this. So, and these specs are way overkill even for a 1080p gaming. So I'm good. I'm covered. I have an M.2 hard drive or SSD for the system, the Windows, and for the game that I'm playing at the moment. And then I have a 2 terabyte like mechanical hard drive for all my storage needs. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I have a TUF Gaming PSU. I think it's maybe 750 watts, or maybe 850. I'm not sure anymore, but it's enough for the system because it's been tested. So yeah, everything seems to be connected. I'm gonna connect it to my TV for now because I don't have my monitor yet. I'm picking that up tonight. So yeah, but I have the HDMI cable. I'm gonna connect that to my to this one. I think maybe this one. And then I'm gonna go get the power cable and connect that as well. There is. I had to buy this separately because this is the UK plug. The PSU came with the EU plug because I bought it in Slovakia. So I had to go and get this one for it. Yeah. So let me plug that in. Let me plug it into the power there. And with that done, let me turn the camera slightly so you can see the TV as well. Let me move it back so you can see me as well. Yeah, that should do. Okay, moment of truth. Let's turn this thing on. Yeah, and then let's press the power button and see what happens. Hope it doesn't explode. Okay, well, all the fans. Oh yeah, there it is. What is this? Okay, I'm not gonna set that up for now. I'm just gonna see if everything works. These fans work. These ones work. This one works. These ones work. It's a bit of a mismatch of colors because uh, because these ones on the bottom and on the side have have synced RGB. They change colors together. However, this back one is just a constant RGB, as you can see, and the top ones, two of them are again a different type of RGB, and then this one is only red. So it's like there's a lot of different colors in here. But everything works, it looks like. I don't know what this is. I thought it was gonna boot into like Windows straight away because it is installed. I think I just have to press F1, but I don't have a keyboard attached. So I think it's good. Everything seems to be running well. The CPU fan is spinning as well, and the motherboard has the green light. I think that means that everything's good. Let me actually show you what it looks like from the other side. It's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like all set up. Like I said, this bottom one and that one are synced. They change colors together, but this one is a different color, and then those two are again a different color, and then this one's only red. So there's a lot of different colors in there, but there is the green light, which means everything's good. So yeah, now I'm gonna turn it off, and then do the cable management, and that's it. And then I'm gonna connect all the peripherals, the monitor, TV for now, and then that's it. I'm gonna have my computer back. Yeah, I'm happy. Alright, well, this means that I'm gonna start doing some gaming content, potentially. I don't know what kind just yet. Just maybe just like random gameplay videos, or like more like longer form series of like like walkthroughs, like playing one game in like multiple videos and just going through the story. Or to be honest, I'm not much of a gamer. I built this PC to get into gaming, but I never really got the chance because I started moving. I moved to England, and gaming and the PC just kind of got pushed into the background. So I might actually do a series of like of what it's like to be new to gaming, because I kind of am. And I played my brother's PS3 back in the day and PS2, and I did some gaming on this one when I had time. but I never like really got into the gaming world, the competitive FPS shooters, esport titles, and all that stuff. I just played, I played Half-Life and some story-based games. So I want to kind of experience gaming as a newcomer, and then maybe, record the experience. What would be kind of cool is just gonna go through gaming as gaming kind of evolved. Like, start with like an old, like, the first big title in gaming. Like, I don't know what it was. Like, back in, like, I don't know, 90s, 80s. Like Half-Life. I don't know when Half-Life came out, but I think it was like a big stepping point in gaming, but definitely not the first one. But then again, I'm not gonna play like Pong on this PC, but I just kind of want to go through the evolution of gaming as it happened, with like the most important points, so like in a way. But I don't know, I might just go do streaming, because I think that would be kind of funny to see what playing these games like like Fortnite and Warzone and all these big titles, as someone who can't play. Because when you go online and you watch these gaming videos, it's usually someone who's very good at gaming, someone who made that their life essentially. So to see someone who's struggling and just getting into it might be fun and different. But yeah, I'll figure all that out later on. For now, let's just finish this computer build. And also a little update for the channel. I have my motorcycle back, Shadow. I have a video about that as well. I'm not sure if it's out yet or if I'm scheduling that for a later date, but it's back. It's on the driveway. It needs some work because I noticed some oil leak, so I need to figure that one out. But spring is coming. It's the end of February, so around April maybe I might start doing some motorcycle travel videos. And I also want to get into photography. I have this camera. It's a Canon 400D. It's like a budget-friendly camera, but it's a DSLR. It's good. It's really good at taking pictures. So I want to kind of do travel photography. Maybe go into like different UK cities and even European cities, and just do some photography because I kind of like it. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited for the future of the PC and of the channel and of everything really. So until next time.